ever since a player hit it. She told me anytime a nigga want it, I could get it. And I don't wanna ever see another nigga with it. But shorty look good, pretty brown round. She don't fuck around, man, she wanna settle down. And little mama grew up on the east side of town. So when she see me with another chick, she gon' clown. But I'ma keep it real, I don't think I'm really ready, man. I'm always on the grind, trying to come up on my Fetty, man. She wanna get a house and I just wanna get a Chevy, man. I'm just trying to kick it, but she looking for a steady thing.